Hey y'all. Alright, I am all done. I don't remember what I named her before, but her name gonna be Susie Q today. So Susie Q is all finished. I put 5 combs, one here, one here, one here, and 2 at the bottom. And again, this is big hair, so I wasn't trying to be all neat and perfect. Just tack down those pieces I needed to tack down. Honey put those combs in. I need to condition her a little bit, but let's go ahead and pop it on and see what she's looking like. She gonna be a U part. Okay, let me fix my hair. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. This is some of my hair oil. You can't see the label because it's oily. All right. So let's go ahead and pop Susie Q on. Hold on. Let me get my dimming brush. Okay, let me stop playing. So here she is. Let's go ahead and put her on. So put that comb right there. I think my hair is much lighter, which is fine. I think I'm gonna add a couple bobby pins too. Hold on. Okay, I just want to add like 2. One right here. And one on this side. Yeah. Okay. And then I love a middle part. I'm a middle part girl. Well, first I need to take this and put that back there. Then do my middle part. I don't think that's in the middle. This is the middle. That's how you can tell. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is get a little bit of water. some Eco Styler. And then I like to take the hair and do me a little twisty twist. Imbera. Tweeze, tweeze. And this is what I'm doing to blend my hair. Not to wear it as a style, but for blending purposes, okay? I'm gonna take a little bit more Eco. Take a piece of the hair. Tweeze, tweeze. I'm not necessarily a fan of that flat ironed look when people blend their hair in. Flat ironing it, I want it to look as natural as possible. I don't knock anybody else who does that, but that's just not my thing. Okay, just being honest. Okay. And pretty much repeating that same process. Twisting my hair. And I will cover up the back. Right now it's fine. We are just blending the hair. Why did I just do that? You know, when you put a piece of hair on, it changes your personality a little bit. Especially if you think you look cute, or you think you did a good job, or whatever the case might be. Okay. Let me put a little... I like the curls edge control, but right now I'm just adding gel. I'm going to sit under the dryer for probably 10-15 minutes. First, Now I could go to bed like this, but I normally don't sleep in my wigs, especially kinky hair. What do I have? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer for maybe about 10 to 15 minutes so I can come back and show you the vibes. Ew. I be doing too much every time. I'm not even gonna speak it. Oh goodness. Then I'll be somewhere having to sit down for a couple hours. Just doing the most. But I am getting better. I'll tell you more about that. Sorry y'all, I like to clean as I go, so I had to clean up my mess. But I'll be back once I'm all dry and ready to show you my hair. Pull up to my bumper, baby. So, my hair is so fine. Those combs just slid right on down, but it's okay. Because we got what we needed. Let's take this one off and fix her up. Pull up to my bumper, baby. Alright. So what I'm going to do is just take some pins. Because that's what I normally do anyway. Is use pins. I keep my pins in this little cosmetic case. And you're just going to pin it in place. Let me take the other twist out. I was under the dryer for 20 minutes. I usually put it on 20 minutes and let it, you know, warm up a little bit. And then sat down under it, but it really doesn't take long to heat up, so I pretty much end up sitting under there for about 20 minutes, which is cool. So, what we are going to do I'm not sure if I left out enough of my hair to cover the track in the back. So, this is what we gonna do. I need to look in the mirror clip on. And then, hold on y'all. This is really a tie, but it's gonna be a scarf today. I know somebody, by the way, she done took a scarf and made it into a tie and made it into a scarf, honey. If people could put t-shirts on their head, why can't I put my tie on? Who said I can't? Who told you that? Huh? So the wig is kind of big, so I think what I'm gonna do is put a piece of elastic in it. But as for right now, let me see. I feel like I could go out and run errands. I can't see the back. I hope it's all right back there. It feel like it's all right. It feel like I'm covered right across where I need to be. It's not coming off. Pull up to my bumper, baby. I do have to fix it so that I can really, I may have to actually bring it up more and actually wear it more like a half wig, more like a U-part wig, I should say, and not have so much of my hair out. So this is the final look. Again, I feel like I could go run errands. I can't see the back, but of course I wouldn't go out looking crazy. I would make sure that back is straight, honey, because ain't nobody got time for that. I'll put a regular wig on before I go out looking crazy, or one of my turbans, wrap my hair up, or whatever I gotta do. But yes, I just wanted to show y'all this hair. I love y'all. Until next time, later.